Hello guys, welcome once again. From this video I'm starting a new video series on SQLite database, and in this video I will show you how to get started with your SQLite database on Windows machine. So why this SQLite is very interesting is because it's a self-contained database and it's a serverless database. That means it doesn't require any server for its working. So mostly it's used in mobile application because it's a serverless database and you can transfer your database from one computer to another computer without any server requirement. So now let's download the binary and install it. So just go to download, and in here we will search for the Windows binaries. So I will go here and I will download this SQLite zip file. Okay, so just click it. I have already downloaded it and this file looks like this. So it has only one exe file called SQLite3.exe. So what I will do is I will go to my C folder, which is this C folder, computer C, and I have made a folder called SQLite2 for example, and in here I will extract my SQLite file, this SQLite zip file. So this only contains one exe, so I can drag and drop this into my C and SQLite folder. Now let's get started with this database. So go to your start button of your Windows here and press CMD, press enter, and in here write CD because I have created my database in the C file. So write CD and backslash and you reach to the C directory of your command prompt. Now this is in my SQLite2 folder. So SQLite2 CD SQLite2. Okay, and now I will create a new database. So write the name of this exe file, which is SQLite3. First of all, I will show you this SQLite3 is in this folder. Now I will write SQLite3 and then the name of your database. So for example, I will name my database as company.db and I will press enter. This has created a database in my folder. So now I will create a table in my company.database. So I will write a query for creating a simple table. So I will write this code, write create table and the name of your table. Then in the bracket you need to pass what column you need in your table. So first column in my table I want employee ID, and which is of integer data type. So first the name of the column and space the data type of your column. Second, name. So after comma write name, and this is of string data type. So I write varchar and the length of my string, comma the title of the employee. This is also a string type, varchar, and bracket close, and don't forget forget this semicolon, and then I press enter, and it has created a table. Now I will check that SQLite has really created a database for me or not. So for that I write select star from the table name. So my table name is employee, and I will press enter, and it's giving me this command because I haven't entered the semicolon here. So I will give this semicolon, this is important, and once again, and it says error, syntax errors. That may be because my file or the table is empty, so I will enter some data in my table. So I will write this command: insert into employee values, and first column is for employee ID, so I write employee ID 101 comma the name of the employee. So inside this single quote write the names John Smith comma the title of the employee, so for example CEO, and then once again I press enter, and it has inserted data in my table. So now let's try once again this same select star from employee and press enter, and now it shows me the data. So employee ID, and then the name, and then John Smith and the title CEO. Now I can enter more data inside this table. For example, insert into the table name and value 102, the name and the title once again, and press enter. One more data, and I will insert one more row of data. So insert into employee, and then once again employee ID, name and the title, and press enter. Now I will do select star from employee, and it should contain these 3 employees in my table. So press enter, and yes, it has these 3 rows of data. So in this way you can create your first table in your SQLite database. In the next few videos I will show you how to install a good SQLite manager for your database, because working on this command prompt is really irritating sometimes for big development projects. So this is just I wanted to show the introduction. That's why I have used this command prompt, but maybe in the next video I will show you how to download and install a free SQLite database manager to create the database and manage your database. So stay tuned, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.